I'm a monkey. My monkey dance. Sorry.
Hey, child, up and go. A big world is out there waiting for us. I do live in every day. Outside, you will find there is love all around you. It takes you.
All right. Wow. Look what I just caught on.
Stop it! You're beating me up. Ow. He killed me in this game. I failed. But I got a new high score.
All right, why don't we put those away?
Okay.
You itchy?
Yeah. I'm a monkey. My monkey dance. Sorry.
What's the matter?
My throat is itchy.
Oh.
There. I wanted to pat your back to make you feel better. Okay, I'll pat your back. Okay.
Hey. So, how was school today?
Good.
Yeah. Today was a blur for me, because I was sick. I just sat on the couch all day and just, died, pretty much. Yeah, I feel like that.
Like,
Yeah, and you know what? It's all your fault. So,
hey.
yeah, like I said before, I haven't been this sick in a long time. Hopefully the worst is behind me though, and I got through today. And I actually all day I kept thinking I just want today to be over because I hate feeling like this. But anything you guys want to talk about? No.
I made some drawings.
Yeah. What?
Horrible
What?
school day.
Oh, your everyday's horrible. Here's a shout out jar. We got some names in it.
Yes. One of two.
There's 3.
Oh, what? So I guess we're gonna put a shout out.
Brevar.
Brevar.
Again, yay!
Hi, it's your shout out. It's your shout out. And the Go Getters.
Yeah.
Hi.
Go
Hi.
get it. You can put their
Shout
name, right?
out.
Hey, actually, just put their names back in there. Why don't we do that? We'll just keep people's names in there. Right? Instead of having an empty jar. We don't have to do a shout out every day, but once in a while we'll do shout outs. And we actually got, yep, the Fish Townies actually gave us a shout out on their video. So if you guys haven't checked out the Fish Townies, go check them out. They gave us a shout out today, which we're really happy about. So, yeah. Like I said, I really like their vlogs. He uses really cool music, and it's nice, relaxing vlogs to watch. But other than that, I don't really have anything else. So, but if you guys want a shout out,
Post in the comments down below. And while you're down there, please like, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, share, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, okay, bye. We didn't do much today.
no, my head feels like it's gonna explode.
And about to sneeze, so bye.
Oh yeah, I sneezed.
You don't want.
I sneezed like 800 times today. Go ahead, Jaden.
Okay,
Sneeze.
no.
Sneeze.
No, I can't.
Sneeze.
No, I can't. Bye.